Hi there, David Walsh here, and I want to wish you and yours a very happy Christmas. I personally want to thank you for your support throughout the year. I want to thank you for being a subscriber, and if you're not a subscriber and you're watching this video, what's up with you? Hit the subscribe button already. It does mean a lot to me, and I hope you have an amazing Christmas or Hanukkah or Kwanzaa or whatever celebration you celebrate this time of year, or not, whichever is your choice. We have lots planned, and I really look forward to sharing that with you. We will be letting you know very soon what's coming up on this channel for the next decade. And as always, if there's any help you need, just let me know in the comments area below. Leave a message down there for me and I'll do the best I can to help you get that question answered. And as you know, the best questions that get asked get made into videos on this channel. Once again, thank you very much for your support. I really do actually appreciate it. And I also look forward to helping you grow your YouTube channel in the next decade.